All right. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm just getting myself started. Let's see my frozen spot. It'll be gone eventually one day, so it's better that than cancer. I was trying to keep it. The doctor said, no, we got to get rid of it. So that's what we did. Anyways, let's see. The kids are home today. There was, with everything going on, we decided to go ahead and let them stay home today. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will have to be doing some driving in the morning and in the evening, which may eat up a lot of my time. So I may trade and not post my videos just because time constraints. I never like to post them the following day because I don't want anybody to think that I'm doing a market replay. But otherwise, let's check it out. Looks like that long move I took yesterday just went buck wild to the upside. Look at that. Let's look at it. Turn it on right here. Oh, not even close. I got out here, pulled back again, and then went up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do I have those turned off? All right, so let's start off with our daily chart. Oh my God, I've got to stop doing that. Oh, wow, look at this. It's really trying to make this push to the upside. Look at that BB. Now, we have all day for this BB to change. If it could pull up here, turn around, come back down. But this BB is making an attempt to pull out and push up further. So if that happens, 2,700 is about our next stopping point right here where this EMA is. And what I'll do, just for funsies, I'm going to have to make it really small on here because it's going to be giant on my other charts. I might come up a little bit further, which makes me a little nervous. Oh, I'm in it. Oh, I just moved my risk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. I'm still going to give this another chance. Shit, there it went real fast. Just a little early on that drop. I was a little early on the drop. There we go. There we go. All right. I may be going ahead and taking my exit here very momentarily. I'll go ahead and take my 2 points. Little tiny reversal bar, triple bar reversal. Now, I could see this pulling up and pushing back down. but I'm not going to fight it right now. Didn't make it into that one. There we go. If it pushes it past this spot, I'm going to go ahead and move it to a break even. There we go. Reversal bars. I'm going to go ahead and take it. Potential reversal bars, double bar reversal. This is not broken through the top Bollinger Band. We're sitting at the top one here. Yes, it could definitely keep going from here, but oh, good. We didn't break the top Bollinger Band here. Reversing here. We see some divergence, some divergence. We see lots of signs to exit the trade. I'm going to give this a shot. I'm trying to decide if I'm just letting this go because I want it to work. We're going to move that up a tick. We don't want it to pull all the way back. There we go. Really should be in the short trade, not the long. Staying outside here. Look at that strength down. Look at that strength down. Whew, I was really trying to fight that, y'all. Really trying to fight that. See if it comes down past this spot. I'm going to look for my next slowdown. Reversal bar potentials here. We're going to go ahead and take the exit with this little bit of reversal bar potential. If it keeps pushing, that's cool. We're coming into that next spot to really hold up the party. I want to look at this real quick. So this one would have been much better back in here, and then the reversal bar just told me that it was. I think that was definitely me wanting it to do what I wanted to do instead of watching it. And that happens as a trader. That happens as a human. We try and force things. I mean, that's the biggest thing, and I think I'm done here, y'all. It's 10:30. I got some errands to run. That is really the biggest thing about learning to become a profitable day trader is things are going to happen. Distractions are going to happen. You're not going to pay attention to what's going on. You're going to anticipate something because you think you see it a certain way, and really it's all in the matter of you trying to make it. The best way I can explain to you is we can tend to try and force things that we think we see when we're ignoring the things that are really harmful for us. Comes down to food, It comes down to health and wellness. It comes down to everything we do in our lives. We can make mountains out of molehills. So, I know y'all can't see what it's doing, but it did pull up to that resistance that, here, let me just show you really quick. Just pulled up and it's still pushing down from there, but I'm done, y'all. I'm done for the day. Let's see what we did here. Our first trade was a loss. Where is it? Back here. First trade was a loss. I took the full loss out of that one. So it was, I started off with minus 2.5 points. But the next one I got. So, and actually that's +2. I think I actually just took 4 out of each one. So that would make 5 trades today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trades, $7.50. All right, so for my students and the vault, we're going to go back and discuss these a little bit more in depth. It is popping to the upside right here. Oh, just breathe, Lindsay. It's okay. You don't need to be in it. Because now it's popping back down. Anyways, I've got to go to the grocery store. I got to set up lunch today. My parents come back from a 2-week cruise tomorrow, so I want to get some things prepared for them. I'll be picking them up tomorrow night. Spend some time with the kiddos now that they're home today on a Friday. You know, just because of the things that we've dealt with over the last couple of days. But on that note, this is the most y'all have seen me trade in a week in a very long time. I'm kind of excited. Today was 7.5 points on 5 trades, 2 losses, 3 winners, and I'm gonna wrap it up. Okay, y'all. I'm so grateful to have y'all here. It makes my day knowing that there's people on the other side of this video watching these and using these and building themselves up with these. And remember, I'm always here. You know, if I'm not here, leave me a message. I'll get back to you. It'll happen. Okay? It may not happen overnight, but it'll happen pretty quickly. So, I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, it's going to be pretty busy for me. Wednesday especially. I don't expect to be here at all on Wednesday. So, oh God, I got so much going on Wednesday. But, yeah, I look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.